grow up just outside of Chicago. We had long, cold winters. And one of my mom's favorite things to make in the wintertime was white sauce. She'd make a big batch of white sauce. She would tear up dried beef and put it into the white sauce. She'd make a bunch of toast. Then she'd put her 5 kids around the kitchen table. She'd put the toast down and she would serve us cream dried beef over toast. We loved it. Hi, I'm Amy Garman. Welcome to my kitchen table. In the last video, we talked about white sauce. There are so many things we can do with white sauce. So today we're going to talk about what we can do with the white sauce now that you have mastered it. We're going to make some creamed spinach. We've got steaks going on the grill, and what pairs better with steak than spinach and white sauce, which is creamed spinach. Today's postcard is about creamed spinach. Let's wash our hands and get started. So we're going to use our white sauce tonight to make creamed spinach. Let me show you what you need for creamed spinach. We've got our spinach, and it's fresh spinach. I know it looks like a lot, but spinach cooks down. You can also substitute the fresh spinach for frozen spinach, but you want to make sure you squeeze out all the water before you use it for your sauce. We've got some olive oil, which we're going to use to cook our spinach. Of course, we've got our white sauce. I just pulled it out of the fridge. I had it left over in there. I've got about 2 cloves of garlic that's chopped up. I've got some shaved Asiago and Parmesan cheese. And then I've got salt and a couple of different kinds of pepper. I like my creamed spinach to be a little bit sassy. So we're going to cook the spinach. I've already put some oil in the pan. I'm going to turn my heat on medium, and then we'll get started. I'm going to start by adding my spinach to the pan. The oil is hot. Oh, you can hear it. That's amazing. That's just how you want it to sound when you start cooking your spinach. I put about half the spinach in, and then I'm going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, to just start layering our flavors. I'm going to start turning the spinach around a little bit, and it's going to start cooking down. As it cooks down, I'm going to add more to the pan. Oh, it just smells so fragrant in here. When the spinach starts cooking down is when I add the garlic. Garlic can burn, and so I like to add it in the middle of the cooking process, not at the beginning. So that's just gonna mix right in with our spinach. And then we'll continue adding our spinach until it's all in the pot. Again, I'm gonna layer some salt and some of my multicolored peppercorns, and of course, yum, a little bit of heat with my red pepper. Oh, it looks beautiful. We can drizzle a little more olive oil over this as it cooks. We're just layering the flavors, layering the spinach until it all gets cooked down. After this is all cooked, I'm going to put it on some paper towels because spinach can leave a lot of water behind when it's done cooking, and we don't want a lot of water in our creamed spinach. I put my white sauce into my pan, and it's all hot and bubbly. I'm going to add the Parmesan and Asiago cheese and stir that into it. When you add cheese to a white sauce, it becomes a Mornay sauce. So this is now a Mornay sauce. If it looks a little bit thick, we can add some cream to it. I'm not going to add any cream to it because the spinach still has a little bit of water in it, so that will thin the sauce a little bit. I'm going to add the spinach to our cream sauce, pop it into the oven, and in 20 minutes, it's going to be hot, bubbly, and oh so delicious. So I baked our creamed spinach in a 375 oven for about 20 minutes. It's golden brown on the top. It's bubbly and heated through. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, oh my gosh, this just looks amazing. Just the scents wafting through the kitchen will bring everyone running. Oh, it's all nice and hot and bubbly. We're gonna add a steak to this. Let's eat. We've paired our creamed spinach with a steak. I put a little bit of blue cheese on the steak and some mushrooms. Join me next time when we do something completely different with our white sauce. Until then, I'm Amy Garman. Bon appetit!